Hi everybody, it's Amalia, founder of STEM Braids and Beyond, and I'm here today with point 5 of 10 mind-blowing facts about the STEM gap. Today I wanted to talk about the fields of study where braid theory is used. My master's is in analytics and I just love researching data for no reason. One of the things that always fascinate me during Black History Month is the sharing of information of his scientific or historical contributions of Blacks. This year, for no reason at all, I decided to take a look at major contributions made by Blacks in science. And there was something interesting I discovered that was mind blowing to me and maybe mind blowing to you. So I thought I'd share it here. The fields of study where braid theory is prevalent, the degrees that are pursued by the major contributors of Black people in science, there's actually a parallel truth. Like, for example, chemistry, medicine, these are fields that use braid theory. And I found it very interesting that the fields that we excel in happens to mirror where braid theory has its strength. Are they going into these fields saying, let me do some braids? Absolutely not. But we understand the importance genetics play, just like we have a stereotype that says, if you're born of this race, you have a natural knack for STEM. And so, just like we can say that about another race, there is that same truth in braid theory, where our people excel in the fields where braid theory is used. Well, that's my tidbit for today. And if you haven't already, please like, comment, and share. And if you haven't and you'd like to show us your support on Kickstarter, I'm going to drop the link below. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye-bye.